this controller will work without batteries. Do you know that? Even right, suddenly if you're playing, when you're playing, suddenly, I mean, your battery got drained, so you can play without batteries. So for that, right, you need to have this wires, USB cable. So I'm going to show the demo. So going to remove the battery, and keeping it here, then inserting this USB cable. So right, there is no battery, and I'm going to insert this in the console. So I got vibration. So even without batteries, right, it will work. I'm going to show that. So I'm going to turn on this. Just check this. Check this light. I'm going to hold this. See, it's turned on. So it is working without batteries. So far, right, I thought it will work only with batteries. So it will work without batteries, but we need wire. Even directly you can plug into current. So I'm going to remove this. I removed it, turned off. So this is the electricity power cable. So see, I'm going to plug it. So I got a vibrations. So even it's working in the current. So I'm going to press this button. So it's working fine without batteries. Even directly it is working in current or within the console. So you can buy some extension for this USB cable, so that right, sometimes when you're playing, your batteries got drained, you can use this. See, now I have you can see this. See, without battery it's working fine. So even if I press X, right, it will work. So you can play the games without batteries. Recently I came to know, that's why I'm sharing this. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my videos. Thank you. Bye.